you how to make the juiciest salmon you have ever had. Let's go. So I crushed up some of my citron lemon sea salt and some of my cilantro lime seasoning. I put that all over the front and I put it all over the back. Next, place your salmon in a bag with some avocado oil, and you're going to let that marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Once I was done, I grabbed my Kerrygold butter and I threw some pieces at the bottom of my dish, put my salmon on top of the butter, threw some more butter on top, because this is where our juices are coming from. We're going to slice up a lemon and we're going to put about 4 pieces on top. Now you're going to be cooking this at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Any longer than that, then you risk it being dried out. This will give you a medium well. It was absolutely perfect. I hope you go make this. You will not be disappointed at how juicy and how flavorful this turns out. You do not need to even be on keto to enjoy this dish. It will be one of your favorites, I promise.